Let's explore further into the world of knots with the knot of the week. This week, we're going to have a look at the Ashley stopper knot. The video you're watching is a small excerpt from the curriculum at Knot School. I hope you enjoy it. The Ashley stopper knot is a robust and visually appealing stopper knot. It's primarily used to create a large decorative end on a rope, preventing it from fraying or passing through an opening. The Ashley stopper knot is classified as a stopper knot, and stopper knots are knots that are typically tied near the end of a rope, either to prevent it from fraying or as a means to prevent the rope from passing through a hole or a device. The Ashley stopper knot is also sometimes referred to as the Oysterman's stopper. Structurally, the Ashley stopper knot is a complex, interwoven knot creating a large decorative bulb. It shares similarities with other decorative stopper knots, such as the diamond knot. To tie the Ashley stopper knot, make a bight and fold it into 2 loops. Pass the loop in the standing end through the other loop and then tuck the tail end through it. After you've dressed and cinched up the knot, the underside of the knot shows 3 separate lobes. As I've mentioned, the Ashley stopper knot finds use in decorative rope work, creating a decorative end on lanyards, and as a functional stopper knot in various applications. It's used in nautical applications, decorative crafts, and anywhere a robust decorative stopper knot is required. The Ashley stopper knot is documented in the Ashley Book of Knots, and it can be found as knot number 526 on page 86.